Welcome, Heavenlanders. I'm the new voice assistant that will tell you what's new in Heavenland. Today, I'll be talking about paragons. Paragons are a vital component of Heavenland's avatar system, described in detail in Heavenland's documentation. Paragons are a gateway for those who want to transfer their favorite PFP to the virtual worlds. The transfer goes through a process of stamping. Paragons also enhance avatars' qualities like their stamina, speed, jump, or translocation. These qualities can be improved further by paragon breeding and fusing. Let's walk together through the operations of breeding, fusing, and stamping. I have prepared some Solana, HTO, paragons, and alpha in my wallet. Let's start with breeding. Breeding takes two Tier 0 paragons to create a new Tier 0 paragon, and all paragons return to my wallet once the breeding finishes. Let's select these two paragons for breeding. Breeding is non-deterministic, meaning we cannot say what the resulting paragon will be. Here's only a visualization that shows the most probable values. I can see that the stamina values of my paragons are pretty different, so it's more likely that the resulting stamina will fall closer to the lower of these values. On the contrary, sprint speed is pretty close, so the resulting sprint speed will likely be higher than the higher of these values. That's how breeding works. It favors similar attribute values. After pressing continue, I only have to confirm the transaction. I send 2 Paragon NFT, paying 10 HTO and approximately 0.02 Solana to cover NFT mint and transfer expenses. Part of the Solana fee will go back to me once I claim the finished operation. Here, I can see the ongoing breeding operation. Let's go to fusing. Fusing takes 5 paragons of the same tier to create a new paragon of a higher tier. All 5 paragons are burned, and a new paragon, superior to all of them, is created. I have more than 5 Tier 0 paragons in my wallet, so let's select Tier 0. In the next step, I choose the main paragon. You can think of the main paragon as a paragon improved by others. The resulting paragon cannot have any single attribute value worse than the main paragon, so I recommend using the best possible paragon as the main paragon. The next step is selecting 4 secondary paragons. They will impact the score of the resulting paragon, what attributes will increase, and how much. Fusing favors secondary paragons with a higher score, but there is an additional bonus if the score of the secondary paragons lies within a close range. In my case, I select secondary paragons with scores of 77, 77, 7-6, and 7-6. When all paragons are selected, I can see a preview of what I get. The resulting score is deterministic. Other attributes have displayed an 80% confidence interval where their value will fall. After pressing continue, I only have to confirm the transaction. I send 5 Paragon NFT, paying 20 HTO and approximately 0.027 Solana to cover NFT mint and transfer expenses. Part of the Solana fee will go back to me once I claim the finished operation. Here, I can see ongoing fusing operation. And the last operation is Paragon stamping. Paragon stamping is inserting PFP into the Paragon. We support alphas only for now, but will add other collections soon. First, I select Paragon, and after that PFP. Now I already see a preview and have only to confirm a transaction to send Paragon NFT, pay 10 HTO, and a small Solana fee. Note that the PFP stays in my wallet. Stamping is the only operation that will send the updated Paragon automatically to my wallet. Breeding and fusing have defined a lock time, so it's up to me to come to Heaven Market and claim these operations on my own. That's all the basic info for Paragon operations. You can find more details in Heavenland documentation. We'll give you more insights into what we plan with paragons. Here's one ongoing DAO voting. And here's a quick preview of how paragons will impact the game UI of the open world. Follow us for more videos.